Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ashwagandha root tea. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root powder and 1 cup of fresh water. Have a small saucepan and a fine mesh strainer ready. Optional additions include a touch of honey or maple syrup to sweeten your brew. These simple items are all you need to start crafting your soothing tea. Now, let's start brewing your tea. First, combine the 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder with 1 cup of water in your small saucepan. Place the saucepan on your stove top and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure the root infuses thoroughly. After simmering, it's time to prepare your tea for enjoyment. Carefully pour the hot liquid through your fine mesh strainer into your favorite mug. This step removes all the root particles, leaving you with a smooth, clear tea. Now is the perfect moment to add any desired sweeteners, perhaps 1 teaspoon of honey or a splash of maple syrup. Serve your warm ashwagandha tea immediately and savor its comforting qualities. To enhance your ashwagandha tea, consider a few extra tips. For a more potent brew, you can extend the simmering time by a few minutes. Adding a small pinch of ground ginger or cardamom can introduce a delightful aromatic twist. Ashwagandha is widely recognized for its adaptogenic properties, supporting overall well-being. Enjoy this nourishing tea regularly as a calming addition to your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.